Okay guys, I'm coming to you one more time. This is the last time I'm going to show this. It's the first time for this particular setup. I've been fooling with this Santa Maria Grill Accessory setup. You know, I don't want to build those fires in my new red limited edition Weber kettle. I could, and I could do it in the Smoky Mountain up top. I could do that, and I'm not worried about that. But I think I finally got the right combination. There's been a couple of you that mentioned using this, and I thought about it too, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. This is the way I'm going to run this. So watch. Alright. You see that lonely little character down there? That's the bottom of the Weber Smokey Mountain with the charcoal grate in the fire ring. Okay, watch what happens next. Cajun Bandit. I had this anyway with the extension ring and rotisserie. Fits perfect, of course, it's made for it. Then we got the Santa Maria Grill Accessory, made for this size. Fits perfect. I like that. They're made for each other. Let me raise this up a little bit now. Perfect setup. Some of you mentioned doing it like this. You didn't know about me having the Cajun Bandit though. That gives you a little protection from the fire burning your legs, because I did hear Andy mention that. Olsen, I believe is the last name. But check that out. Let me bring you a little closer here. See that? I mean, you've got a nice, can't see, yeah. You got nice room in there for the fire, you know, split logs, split wood. And you can control where it's at. And I don't have to worry about the fit of all of this. So, there you have it. How about that? Weber Smokey Mountain base with the grate and fire ring, the Cajun Bandit on top of that, and then your Santa Maria on top of that. All fits like a glove. I think that's my setup. That's how I'll use this and run this. I'd like to find another bottom to the Weber Smokey Mountain. If anybody has one out there, let me know. I'll relieve you of it. Alright, this is the last time I'm bringing this to you until you see me cook on it. I'll see you. Phil in Florence.